for the CME Group. This is Danny Riley on today's closing print. And they're buying them up like crazy here on the close, too. Anyways, you know, we put out a couple weeks ago, we put out where the buy stops were, 16.99 even up to 17.06, right? The high came in at 17.05 even. And then you know what? The stop-o-meter started pointing south today. And we've got that old saying about no stops go untouched in the S&P. Well, you know what? The stop-o-meter is doing exactly what it should do. It's chasing downside stops. We ran the 1,700 plus stops. Now we're running the 1,690 stops. That's the way that works around here. The high of the day came in the S&P came in at 1700.30 after the open. The low came in at 1689.90 mid-morning, and last we're 1692.70. We're down 9.8 handles. Total volume, it's a little better today. It was only 875,000 contracts yesterday. And today we have 1.3 million minis traded and 2,500 big S&Ps traded in the pit. MOC, we had 90 million to sell. Let me check the buyers and sellers. Hey, Rob, anything? Goldman bought 300. Smith Barney sold for it. Yeah, he's saying Goldman bought 300 and Smith Barney sold 400. I don't know. They seem to do that on the cash close, the two of those guys. But anyways, tomorrow we have the MBA purchase apps. We have the Gallup US Job Creation number, which I'm not real familiar with. I don't know if they've changed the name or something. We have the API, that's accrued inventory numbers. We have a 10-year note auction, and then we have consumer credit later. But you know, at the end of the day, folks, you know what the bottom line here is that the S&P is doing exactly what it does every time after it makes a high. It pulls back a little, it finds a level, it backs and fills, and then goes back up. And we suspect that that's going to be the case on this pullback also. We'll see you tomorrow on the opening print.